Saan bang play nito? You don't like dry fish? Okay,
wait.
you like this kind of fish, okay? And that's the cat. He don't want, he dislike
Okay.
a kind of fish, dry, okay? Okay, you try again. Try again. Give a dry fish. A small cat. Okay. You see this. Oh. Oh, what? What happened? Okay. Oh, what happened? Oh, okay.
Oh shit!
Try again. Try. Don't. Oh,
Try
okay. Yes. Thank you.
Oh shit! What?
Shit. What's the kind?
Oh, this
It's about smell. Not a
karate.
karate. Ah, hindi body smell pala yun, mga kaibigan. Tagalog na. Ah,
Nilinis mo to eh.
fragrance.
Mukha.
Okay.
Kala ko yung bulag.
Okay. Tignan natin ang pusa. Tagalog. In English, okay. Try again to see this cat. And then,
Shit up
give
my leg.
dried fish. Come on, baby. Come on. Give a dried fish in this cat. What kind of
Shit
cats
that like.
do you have?
You eat dried fish.
Okay.
Ayaw.
Oh, ano? Ano nangyari? Ayaw! 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 Oh,
I don't
they,
like.
they don't like.
I don't know.
They don't like the right fish. He want.
You want some, ano? Pork.
Who you want?
I don't know.
English tayo. Maintindihan ng mga Amerikano pag na i-upload tayo na YouTube naman to.
You want some pork?
Ayaw niya ng isda. Na,
So,
tuyo.
like, shit.
See that kind? Okay.
Ay, kuha pala yan.
Okay. Okay, wait. Sandali.
It want some pork, no?
It wants, ang title nito,
Oh,
It wants
it wants some pork.
some pork. Okay.
Oh, tayo.
Okay, this is
Tada.
Filipino is to you. Ilocano is
To me.
hindi, no. Pindang. Pindang. Pusa, mali na kaya pindang. Ha? No, you see this. And then, okay, this kind of fish, dried, keep to the cat. Okay? Now,
And
cat sleeping, but I try to give this kind of fish, dried fish, in this cat. Cat is
ilan?
DPH?
Oh.
Ay, hindi, no, DPH. P,
P.
PWH, pusa with, what do you call that? And, person with, PW. D, pusa with disability. Okay. Disability because she is now sight now. Okay,
now.
look at. Nung wala siyang paningin, awati pagkita na.
Okay.
Dai mayo siyang pangiling. Iyo po. Sa latang mga kaigsuon, mga tugang, mga mayo kantao. Tama to. Okay fish, ba tao? Nag-iti ano siyaw Diba tao? Sa Ifugao, ayaw talaga, Bakit? Ang baho kasi. Ano mo song, Ito. Okay, problema na.
Why did you get na?
Okay. Ito ang may-ari niyang pusa na yan.
Why?
This guy, owner of this
Why?
cat. Okay. Why daw? Why?
Why?
Hindi winawayway mga kaibigan mga Ilocano, hindi winawayway yan dahil awamot ti wayway na. Tamang anwang. Isa pa eh. Okay. Itintay mo na na. Itintay mo natin ito yun nga basitin. Nay, ako mo niya matan gadaw. Ba't may gadaw? Ngayon, gadaw mo nagsila. Nay, You see this?
See that?
There's a silver fish. Silver fish. I don't know what kind of fish this fish. But bakit siya inaayawan? Habo ning ikos ning sira na pinatuyo.
There is na...
Ano ba sa Bisaya ng
Yes.
isda na ito?
Ah,
Anong isda ito, words?
Tambang.
Tamban. Parehas tamban. Pero yung pinatuyo, daing tuyo, ano ba?
tuyo. Tuyo.
Dry.
Dried.
Dried.
Oh, sa inyo.
Opo.
Po sa amin. Okay. Oh, this is a geographic channel.
Pag
Geographic
Pag tinapa na yan, ano sa inyo?
Ang pusa na ito ay mapili.
Wag.
Kasi, sige, ano mo, hindi, parental dance ka, juvenile.
This is no eyes.
No.
This
I
is
don't,
no
I don't
eyes.
mind, don't mind.
No
This
eyes.
is a
No eyes.
juvenile
No eyes.
cat. This is a juvenile. No sight at all.
This is no eyes.
No eyes at all.
Baby
No
cat.
sightseeing.
Yeah. Okay, no sight at all. And then,
There-
he,
This is eye.
yeah, I don't know he or she, but I said before, this is a juvenile, okay? Mahilig siyang humanap kung saan siya meron na papakinggan na tunog. Iharap mo dito, kaibigan.
Because
Dito. Papakainin naman natin siya ng isda, parts.
I
Pahingin
try
konti
it.
ng
Try it.
light isda dyan sa iyong...
This is
Yan, parts. Yung kahit konti lang doon sa may laman, konti lang.
try to eat.
Yan.
Ito na. Try to eat.
Try to eat, they don't want. Okay. Ngayon, bigyan natin ng a fish. Piece of fish.
Piece of peace. Fish.
Piece of
Piece of
fish.
fish.
Okay. Cat, come on baby.
Oh, yeah.
Try to eat yan. Okay.
Eat.
Ayaw ba? Habo, manong. Habo.
Baka tatagay.
Okay, tagay siya.
Hey, do that.
Tagay.
Philippine product, okay.
Because gawat in my...
Made in Philippines.
Yung may eyes.
Okay, later. We don't talk about that. Emperador is product of the